The ingredients for this recipe: chicken, Parma ham, sage leaves, lemon verbena leaves, butter, lemon, shallots and Marsala wine. Hello, welcome back to Cooking with Chris. Today we're off to Italy, one of my favourite places in the world. Love their food and love their people. And what I'm going to do today is to cook saltimbocca, and I'm doing it two ways. One where you roll it up as a roulade, and the other way where you just fry it in the pan. Saltimbocca literally means jump in the mouth, traditionally made with veal, but today I'm using chicken. Anyway, follow along and I'll show you how to do this lovely dish. See you soon. First thing I'm doing is cutting the chicken breast in half because they're a bit too thick in the size they come in. And then what you do is you spray them with water to avoid the cling film sticking to them, because the next thing you're going to do is bash them with a rolling pin to make them thinner. Now, when you use your rolling pin, try to hit it from the centre out. They're prepared now, so we'll add some pepper, and then I'm going to put some sage leaves on the top of the ones that I'm going to fry in the pan, and then I'll also add some lemon and put some Parma ham on the top. And then once that's done, I'm putting some cling film down on the board to do the other type, which is a roulade. So I put the ham on the board, and then once that's done, I will then put the chicken on there, and then put in a couple of slices of lemon, and then some lemon zest. And then once that's done, I'm going to put some more sage leaves in, and then I'm going to roll this one up. So what you do is you begin to roll it very, very tightly and pull it towards you and get it as tight as you can. Once it's all done like that, then move it to the edge of the board, get the cling film, and then roll it up very, very tightly. And you see, put pressure on it, roll it towards you, and then tie the ends up. You don't want to let water get in these, because we're now going to poach these in a pan of hot water for about 10 minutes, not much more than that. And then once they're done, just take them out and let them cool down. Right, I've put some butter and some oil in a pan, and I'm going to make some crispy sage leaves to go with this. And once they're done, don't brown them too much, put them on some paper to drain the oil and save them for later. Dust the flour all over the chicken that you've got prepared. Turn it over so you do both sides, and then put it in some oil and some butter and cook it. Don't do it for too long, because when you turn it over you will have residual cooking heat, and you want these soft and tender. So once that's done, take them out and put them to one side. I'm now putting in the roulade ones and just roll them in, let them cook gently, but not for too long, because you're going to cook them again. Put them on a plate and put them to side. Right, with the oil that's in the pan, you want to drain it because you don't want excess oil for the next stage. Right, put some butter in the pan, and then once you put the butter in, get it melted, and then add in some garlic, and then some finely chopped shallot. And this is all to make the sauce. Mix that around, and what I did before this was put in some Marsala wine, and now I'm putting in some homemade stock. I put the roulades back in and cook those out, and that completes the cooking with those. Adding some single cream, and then mix that about, and then that is the dish prepared. Right, that's that recipe completed. As you can see, it's come out nice. A few ingredients, good quality ingredients. That's what Italian cooking is all about. Made simply, but cooked nice. Anyway, I hope you like me making this video, and please like and subscribe, and catch another video next week. Thanks very much for watching. See you soon. Goodbye.